The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. It looks like Iceriver has listed the KS0 Pro as back in stock again, and the price is still $429. It's 200 gigahash at 100 watts. Mine's actually only running at 93 watts. So it looks like the shipping window is January 15th through January 31st, and they haven't changed the prices on the KS0 Pro or the power supply. They're still the same. So I can get you 5% off though if you use my discount code. If you look in the description of this video, you'll see I have a Iceriver 5% off discount code and the link to Iceriver's website. The code is GREAT2023. So let's go ahead and see how much we save if we apply that coupon. GREAT2023 in the checkout here. Apply coupon. It says it's applied successfully. And then let's go ahead and scroll down and see what the total is. Okay, so saved about $21.50. And the delivery for this is $55. So the total price out the door is $482.45 for KS0 Pro. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the price of Kaspa and how it's ranking today on December 11th. Let's check it out. All right, so Kaspa is still ranked 27. I did a video a few days ago. It's holding on to the 27 rank, and it's still just trailing just behind Ethereum Classic. So market cap for Kaspa, $2,723,000,000, and Ethereum Classic, $2,928,000,000. So very close. Let's see. I know the hash rate's way up there. Let's go ahead and check that hash rate. 103 petahash. So it has gone up exponentially in the last month, and I already did this video the other day, but it just keeps going up. So yeah, about 53 petahash on November 11th, and then we had this big batch Iceriver shipping out, and we've got some new overclocks too. So yep, we're at 103 petahash right now, pretty much double. So your rewards have been cut in half since about a month ago. Let's see what we've got for a break-even price on the KS0 Pro. All right, I'm back in the Kaspa break-even calculator that I use a lot from Coder of Stuff. I'll leave the link to this calculator in the description so you can play with it too. Machine cost would be normally $503, and we're talking about 200 gigahash per second, 93 watts. That's the results I'm getting. And here's your network hash rate, and here's the current price of Kaspa. The current price of Kaspa, yeah, not doing so good. 0.124. So let's go ahead and see what we get. I already did this, but let me see if anything changed since I did this earlier. No. Okay, so August 24th, 2024 is your break even, and that's if nothing changes, but we know it will. I always say that. The hash rate's gonna go up because these keep shipping out, and we don't know what the price of Kaspa will do. Who knows? We kind of took a little dump. The whole market took a dump just in the last few days. So anyway, nobody knows what will happen. I have no idea where this hash rate will be on August 24th. This takes into account for an extra 100 terahash increase per day. And it seems like what happens is a batch will ship out, the hash rate will rise exponentially, and then level off for a while until the next batch is ready to ship out, and then it just goes up exponentially again. So it doesn't always happen like that, but it seems like it's pretty close to that. So you might be hashing along fine for like a month or so until the next giant batch ships out, and then it's down to Goblin Town for your yield. So anyway, just be careful if you're getting these. I'm just going to show you what you would have for a break even if you use my discount code. The machine cost comes down to $482 with my discount code. So you're saving, looks like about 3 weeks time to ROI, and that's at the current price of Kaspa and the current hash rate. And then I just did a video yesterday. You might want to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description to that video too. It's the KS0 Pro overclocks. And I'm getting anywhere from 285 to 290 gigahash on the KS0 Pro after using the overclocks. So I figured I'd just throw that in there too. So with my discount code and the overclocks, your total machine cost, including like shipping and the power supply, these include the shipping and the power supply. And then I don't include tariffs. There shouldn't be tariffs for a machine in the US at this price, like $429, you should not have to pay tariffs, but some people will. So I'm just not going to include them. Depends on what country you're in and depends on your situation. So I didn't include tariffs because they can vary wildly across the whole entire world. Anyway, so with my discount code and T-Swift's overclocks, at the time of filming, 600 Kaspa is worth about like $72. So I included that in the machine cost, and I'm getting, like I said, 285 to 290 gigahash per second, and my wattage is about 130 watts. This is my experience that I'm having with the KS0 Pro overclocked, and Kaspa price is 0.124. So it takes your ROI time from paying like full price on a KS0 Pro from August 24th all the way back to like June 1st. And like I said, that's if nothing else changes. So that's my breakdown of what's going on with this KS0 Pro. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I mean, it just depends on your situation. If you want to hodl through the next bull run, Kaspa hasn't seen a bull run, but it's already had a pretty good price appreciation in the last year. So is there more room to grow? Probably. I don't know for sure. Is this hash rate going to go up? Definitely. I don't know what the price of Kaspa will do, but I know this hash rate will keep going up. People keep buying these, they keep making them because they're very profitable. And I mean, it's hard to complain really. This ROI, June, that's 7 months from now, we'll say. That's a very fast ROI time still. I have GPUs that I bought like 2 years ago that probably haven't even ROI'd yet. In the bull run, we're talking a totally different situation. So your situation is different from mine. I've got a lot of Icerivers. I've been mining on them for a long time. I'm very happy with where I'm at. If you're just starting mining and you're looking at a KS0 Pro, it's a good one to learn on. But just know when you see like a daily yield of $4, that's really good. That's really good for crypto mining for the price, but that will not last. I just want to make sure you guys know, if you're new to this, KS0 Pro is a great machine to start with. If you're new to crypto mining, it's pretty easy to set up. But if you start getting into overclocking, you need to make some adjustments, push the machine a little harder, get a fan on there that's a little more appropriate. Watch my KS0 Pro overclock video. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description, but just be careful. Just be careful and know what you're getting into. These machines, they're going to yield you some Kaspa per day. You're kind of counting on price appreciation to float you through till the next bull run. So 32 to 33 Kaspa per day with an overclocked KS0 Pro, and you have to decide if that's worth it to you or not. It's difficult to say. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. I just wanted to show you that the KS0 Pro is back in stock. And like I said, you can use my discount code for 5% off. If you want to get these overclocks, you can DM T-Swift in my Discord. If you do that, please tell them Greater Good Mining sent you. It helps out the channel. And anyway, hopefully this video is helpful to you. A little bit of a quick breakdown on the fact that the KS0 Pro is back in stock. And what can you expect? Nobody knows. I wish I could tell you. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.